Let me. She crying because she think this gonna conquer us.
Isn't that what they do? Kick the tires to make sure they're working right? Yeah, that's got enough pressure.
What up, y'all? We back on the property. What we doing today?
Putting together the trailer for the powerhouse.
So enthusiastic. It's actually not bad out here, y'all. We're gonna be working on that trailer. It's in 2 parts from Harbor Freight. Hopefully we get that thing knocked out. All right, we want to give a shout out real quick to our T3 tribe, man. It's something we've been working on for about a month, and the link will be around here somewhere. Y'all can go check them out. But that's how we show love to our supporters that's helped us in some form or way or whatever. So we or join the membership, which is also a link somewhere. Do it if you wanna.
Yeah. Did not do a good job. Let me see that.
All right, see what we got, boo. Did we watch a video on this yet?
I had a lot of videos. They just all said it's a lot of pieces.
It's a lot of pieces. All those pieces look the same except for this one. That is not the same.
You wanna put this by that other one?
Yeah. Hold up, woman. Come on now. Cut it like you've been cutting all your life.
Cutting what?
I don't know.
It's like 80 pieces.
Those are some of the longer pieces. We'll keep those long. Here, push this box way out. Oh, these are the springs. Damn. Hold up, man. Here go all the hardware. Yeah. Hinges, nuts, bolts. Now some of this we won't be using, and these are the wheels, what is this called, casters? We won't even mess with these. These are the things that go around the edge of the trailer. Another one, not using. And these are the fenders, which I don't believe we're putting these on either. We got the tires. There's some little bitty guys. What size tires are these, babe? 12 inch. And y'all, it's actually pretty cool in here because it's like 8, 9 in the morning. That's it. Let me. She crying because she think this gonna conquer us. Ooh, that's a lot of parts. All right. And then you got the lighting kit. We ain't gonna put this on. Yeah, that's it, y'all. Give y'all a quick look at what we look like when we're happy in the morning. Before, cheese. And that after, we don't know. All right, what's next? Do we need to square this one real quick first?
Yeah.
Cool.
That's all.
May I see it? It's not off no more. Oh, these are the fronts? Oh, we on the wrong one. Okay. I thought for sure that was next. Okay.
You go some through there.
Okay. You said it was 9:50 when we started?
9:51.
It was 9:51 when we started. And it is, I don't even know if you can see that through here. It is 10:52, so 1 hour. Ta-da! Nights like this, I wish. Thank you. This or this?
That goes on the bottom and that goes on the top.
Well, this goes like this. Need the screws. This is how we do it. Good thing this ain't no how-to video. They have people mad. Straight up. Bottom. Switch. All right. So far, we haven't made any mistakes, have we?
We don't know.
All right, and then what? This.
No.
All right, what's next?
The rear piece is easy. It's just the same side.
Okay. And hopefully still square. Ooh, that mug is still pretty square. Okay. That I'm not mad at.
And put it back in.
All right, let's see what time it is. We started at 9:51. Let's see, 20 minutes from being 3 hours. Directions were no bueno. All right, y'all, what it do? We back from our, how many hour break?
3.
We back from our 2.5, 3 hour break. I don't even know if it was that long. Nah, I don't think it was.
It was a good nap.
I don't think it was. She went and took her nap. All right, y'all. So we got this to now finish, but real quick, we forgot to bring the power station back there that y'all see. We forgot to bring our Opus in the car with us and charge it. I'm gonna take a page out of the Homestead Homie book. Lee and Lou.
We got this off of Amazon, anywhere from $600 to $1,200 versus the Anchor Solix expansion battery packs. They're running about $2,500. Now we're going to talk about the installation of this. Fairly simple installation. So you're going to use your positive terminal. You're going to connect your positive cable to the positive terminal, negative cable to the negative terminal, and you're going to use the Anderson Connect cords. You can get these off of Amazon as well. We'll leave a link in the description. It's a simple plug and play solution.
Not that we hurting y'all, and y'all probably can't see that, but we're at 39%. So we've been running the fan. I don't want it to get that low, so I'm gonna go and I'm gonna grab a battery real quick so we don't run out of power. I'm gonna connect my positive first, y'all. And then I'm gonna go with the negative wire. Using a basic 12-volt battery, nothing special about it, and these Anderson cables. When we plug that in, it's gonna get its calculate on
39 input, 41, 42, 43.
Okay, I just doubled the power with a simple 12-volt battery. Those things don't even cost that much. Some you can get as cheap as $150. Some, if it's got all the Bluetooth and all that good stuff on it, the 12 volts can be like $299, but not $800, which is what the expansion pack for that is. Okay, so we do need to flip it back over. All right, Big Swole. All right, so we're not putting on the fender parts, we're just oh no, outside. All right. Now which way were we supposed to be going? Oh, you can see it. Are they supposed to be able to move? Because if I try to tighten this down, man, I'm gonna bend the hell out of that. Like this here. And then the same thing over there. I bet you we can do this again in about an hour and a half. You wouldn't do this with me again?
No.
Oh, man.
Don't even sound fun.
Mr. Dust Cap. Okay, y'all, we have one more piece to put on. That's the little hitch part, but it's still upside down. But I'm gonna give y'all a quick look at the Harbor Freight trailer, which really wasn't that bad. Axle is kind of crazy. It's hollow and it doesn't have an end on here, but like a closure along that part. So, but it only holds 1,200 pounds though. Tires on. We about to flip this thing over and see it roll.
On there real quick.
Okay, let's put that on there real fast.
I said I need the drill and I need the other small piece. Okay.
It's heavy, babe. It's heavy.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, go. All right. So here we go, y'all. This is gonna be the foundation for the powerhouse, y'all. So this is gonna end up somewhere in this area. All right, y'all, check it out. So y'all can see the solar panels, which I need to get all cleaned up around there. There's gonna be 1, 2, 3, and maybe 4 rows of solar panels, because that's just 1200 watts. And then the powerhouse is going to be there, so it's going to run from here to the powerhouse. But yeah, this is it. Cheapo Harbor Freight. From this area, y'all, you can see the back of the solar panels, and then the powerhouse will be here. This will face off this way, there's nothing back there. And then there'll either be a door up front or maybe a door on the side, and we just turn the whole thing flat. I don't know. You want to move it?
Move it where?
I guess it could be moved if we move it. Take this and moved it this way. Like if we wanted to see it long ways, you could just do one. You don't need them both. All right, so this is good too. So from this angle,
it's not straight.
I know it ain't straight, but it'll kind of give, like if that's the powerhouse with a door on it, open up the door, all batteries, inverter. It can run down through the ground to the solar panels, and then it's in between the shipping container and the solar panels. Boom. And then of course our homes will be out in this area because that's the driveway. And yeah, so I think that's cool. So we're gonna go ahead and shut this one down, although this should have been the time that we normally come out here, but we're gonna shut this one down, y'all. We appreciate y'all.
Thanks, guys.
Hey, Homestead Homies, you know, T3 Tribe, you know. Hey, until the next one, man. Peace.
Deuce.